Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called sounds and vibration, and once you find it, select it of course. Here look for the option called vibration and then tap on it, and here we have two types of settings. We have vibration duration and vibration intensity. First, let's deal with the vibration duration. We have short and long. I don't know if you will be able to hear the difference, but that's long and that's short. And next we have the intensity. Okay, so select the one you like rather, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change it in the phone application. So if we bring our phone right here that is paired with our watch and zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. On the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Galaxy Wearable. Oh, that's Samsung Health, my bad. Galaxy Wearable. And in this app, we need to tap on watch settings, then sounds and vibration, of course. And here we have the vibration, and we can select long or short, then light or strong. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.